In this video, I'll show you how you can create your own hashtag on Instagram. So you can do this with a normal post and you can also do this with a story. So if you want to do this on your Instagram story, all you need to do is click on, let's see, add to your story. Let me just allow this real quick. And then all you need to do basically is take a picture, which I'll do right now. Just like that. If you then type and you basically click on hashtag right there, you can already create your own hashtag. I believe you can also swipe up and click on hashtag right there and then create your own hashtag just like that, okay? If you then tap on this, you can also change this, okay? So there are 3 different templates for that. If you then post it, you've just created your own hashtag and it's pretty much the same on the normal feed. If I just discard this and then click on plus, and then let's see, if you then just click next, you can write a caption and you can then also create a hashtag right there. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.